Hi guys! Thank you for watching! Before I start with my tutorial guys, mag-shoutout muna ako. Shoutout dyan kay hashtag Bia TV Channel at kay El Fresco. For today's video guys, this is my first video of my accounting series tutorial. This is in collaboration with my husband. Para ito sa mga estudyante dyan, lalong-lalo na sa mga ABM students at sa may basic accounting subjects. Without further ado, let's start! Learning objectives natin guys, after this tutorial, you should be able to know the rule of accounting in business, know the purpose of accounting, differentiate bookkeeping versus accounting, and know the definition of accounting. The rule of accounting in business. Accounting is often called the language of business. It is through accounting that the different events in business community are communicated. It is therefore important for someone when joining the business community to have enough knowledge of the language to better communicate and understand their communications. So guys, ang accounting ang magbibigay ng idea sa atin tungkol sa status o kalagayan ng isang negosyo. Dahil sa accounting, malalaman ngayon ng mga negosyante o mga namumuhunan ang kalagayan ng isang kumpanya by simply looking at the financial information. The purpose of accounting. So, ito yung purpose. Is to provide information that will help you make correct financial decisions. So, ito yung pinakadahilan kung bakit tayo mag-aral ng accounting. So, kung ikaw ang may-ari ng negosyo, dito mo malalaman kung kailangan mo bang magdagdag ng kapital o may kita ba o lugi ang iyong negosyo. From the point of view of the investor naman, dito mo makikita kung okay ba mag-invest sa isang negosyo na ito. At sa nagpapautang naman, tulad ng mga bangko, titingnan nila ngayon kung may kakayahan ba na magbayad ang isang kumpanya. Before we define what is accounting, let us compare first bookkeeping versus accounting. Bookkeeping is the process of recording accounting information, meaning the recording and the keeping track of business transactions either manually or electronically. Electronically meaning with the help of computer programs. So those information will be used later to generate financial statements. Thus, bookkeeping is only part in the accounting process. That is the recording of transactions. So ano ba ang accounting? Accounting is an information and measurement system that identifies, records, and communicates relevant, reliable, and comparable information about an organization's business activities. Guys, please take note of the highlighted words. Identifying business activities requires selecting transactions and events relevant to an organization. Recording business activities requires keeping a chronological log of transactions and events measured in terms of money and classified and summarized in a useful format. So manual man o computerized ang ating recording, kailangan talaga na sunod-sunod ang ating pagkakarecord ng mga transactions. Usually, ang ating basihan ay ang date kung kailan nangyari ang transactions. Hindi pwede na ang transactions sa katapusan ng buwan ay i-record mo sa unang araw ng susunod na buwan. Communicating business activities requires preparing accounting reports such as financial statements. I will discuss the financial statements, guys, in another video soon. It also requires analyzing and interpreting such reports. So dito, nalalabas kung ano ang kalagayan ng ating negosyo, guys. Kung okay ba o lugi. Kung isa-summarize natin ang kahulugan ng accounting, it is the system that measures business activities and transactions and process that information into reports and communicate the results to decision makers. Business transaction refers to the events that has a direct effect on the operation of the economic entity, and it is expressed in terms of money. Dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas, in terms of peso, which is our monetary unit. Examples of business transaction, guys: buy and sell of goods, paying electricity and water bills, buying of office supplies, buying of office equipment, salaries of personnel, and any other business activity that involves the exchange of money. Sana, guys, mayroon kayong natutunan sa akin at sana aabangan niyo pa ang aking mga videos tungkol sa accounting at sa iba pang mga tutorials. Kaya huwag niyong kalimutan i-subscribe, i-share, i-click ang notification bell para palagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong videos. Bye!